everyone.
We're going to Noirmont.
Noirmont. And Mum, why are we going to Noirmont?
To watch the drone display of the Battle of Flowers.
Yes, so the moonlight parade for the Battle of Flowers is on in town, but we're going to watch it from Noirmont.
We are.
Hopefully it won't be too busy. We got our VIP with us still down there. Another VIP over there, the mothership. And me and Trace.
Important VIP in the back.
Yes. Sad like the Queen.
And of course our first passenger in Beano.
Yes. Well, Susy's technically the first passenger.
She's not human.
Not human.
She's not human.
True.
She's a dog.
Yeah.
She's a very important pup, not a very important person.
You hear that, Suze?
Very important pup.
Yes. Oh, we're getting to the turning.
Egg.
Yeah. Turning into Noirmont. Ah, it's got some Jersey rolls, my loves.
Yes.
Oh, I might have to get some.
We've got some cash.
Oh, have you got some? Oh, I got a fiver in my phone actually.
There you go. We're all
Emergency ice cream money.
right. Or Jersey Well money.
Yeah.
Just taking it steady because it's like a little bit.
Yeah, it's
tight.
a bit.
Been a struggle. I know you've had.
It's a good view, eh, Mum? So the Battle of Flowers parade is over there. So yeah, we should get a good shot of the drones, Mum.
Yeah, because there's a castle. They're
Yeah.
letting them off from there.
Hello, Suze.
There's loads of blackcurrants down there.
Is there?
Yeah. So we better come back on a sunny day and pick some.
Yeah.
Come. This way. It's nice to see you on one from land.
Yeah. Well, I thought I'd best catch you up because I've got the poo bags.
I know you're feeling tired, held down by all the weight. Yeah, I know you're feeling lonely. Your smile ain't the same. Not sure where to go from here. Feel like you've lost your way. Yeah. Don't give up, no, don't give in. Never lose hope, don't let go of the promise. It ain't done, yeah, he's got a plan. What's a rain?
Jersey, Guernsey, Alderney, effectively the Channel Islands were the only bit of the UK that was occupied during the Second World War. And the islands' populations suffered great privations. Alderney population evacuated and didn't stay, but the populations in Jersey and Guernsey did. I think a lot of children were sent away. So
Yeah, Nan and Pops went to Oldham.
Yeah.
Oh, well, Nan did, so
Yeah.
Pops.
Yeah.
Pops joined the Marines.
Yeah. So you can see that this is part of the Western Front, and all along Jersey's coast you have these major concrete interventions which are the remnants of war. And this whole headland was gifted to the state of Jersey by the then owners as a memorial to all those people who lost their lives in Jersey during the war.
Yeah.
So it's a poignant place. You have the tools of war, and it's also a memorial for literally hundreds of thousands of people in the Channel Islands who were affected, and those who lost their lives, of course.
In fact, the perfect spot, isn't it, for the stone?
It is. It's very poignant.
Mum's holding the fort.
Yep.
Does it?
In North Wales.
Girls are having a rest.
Yeah, we're just chilling out.
Mum's on car park patrol.
Yeah.
Just keeping an eye out. Is everybody conforming to the regulations, Mum?
Well, no, they've got the good view from there.
Oh, you're all worried about the view.
Yeah, they've got a better view than we have.
Ah, they're probably only looking at the tortoise. We've got one of the tortoises over there. All the kids are going crazy. And the big kids. Mum went. And Susy's doing checks to the stern, aren't you, Susie Pup? Oh yes, that's. I'll keep looking out here, Tish. I'll keep you all safe. Nanny's looking out the front, I'm looking out the back. And Tracey going nap nap. And I'm just mucking around. Mum's keeping watch out to see. What have you spotted, Mum?
The turtle.
Beyond the turtle. It's the condor.
Condor, yes, I can see it.
So we're just waiting for the Commodore Clipper to come past. It's just down St. Ones, we think.
Yes, she is.
Don't you worry, Suze and I are going to keep an eye out from the stern.
You girls are still there. Hello, Suze. Hello, Auntie Dash.
I can see the strength inside you. Child, you're putting up a fight. Oh, you're stronger than you think.
Here comes the Clipper. There she is. She's getting spoiled. Yeah, nanny cuddles, eh? Yeah. Yeah, I spoiled. Get the oven gloves on, my lad. Oh, best turn the knobby knob.
Yes, turn the
Gas to off. Here we are.
got spectator.
Now here's one I prepared earlier.
Okay, Mary go.
Yes, slaved hours.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
You can tell that's homemade, can't you?
oh yes.
Silver foil around it.
Yeah, exactly.
Made the silver foil as well, mate.
Excuse me.
In fact, I'll just whack it on this plate.
Whack it. Tastefully placed.
Tastefully placed.
There you go, whacked. Lovely. Whoa, girl.
Oh my day. Ow.
Yes, exactly.
There we are. Job done.
Made in the Navy. Catering corps.
I was born in Jersey, but I was made in the Royal Navy.
Were you, Sue?
Oh, Mum!
And that was made in Marks and Spencer.
Waitrose, my love, this is.
I beg your pardon.
Yes.
Only
Here
the
we
best.
are. So up to standard, girls.
That's very good, thank you.
Excellent, Quiche. Thank you, Tash.
You're
You
welcome.
can make me another one.
And look at the sunshine streaming through the dirty windows.
Yes, a nice sunset. Woohoo!
Oh yeah, I can see it now
Yeah,
through your scope.
and there's. What do you reckon, Susie?
Just waiting for another treat, aren't you? Good girl. Nice and light in here.
Yeah, put the light on for you, my love.
Thank you. And you've turned the oven on.
I've turned the oven on.
You're accepted, loved, and valued. Beautiful, you're shining bright. Yeah, you're living, breathing, moving. You can hold your head up high. Yeah. Don't give up, no, don't give in. Never lose hope, don't let go of the promise. It ain't done yet, it's got a plan. Watch some rain down.
Susie, where's the other way, my love, and bringing the kettle through?
Yes, you don't want that tripped over your head.
No. Susie, you stay that way then.
That looks like it's there.
Yes, and the top park.
Yeah.
Can you see the amusements with your binoculars?
Yeah.
Binoculars.
It came out wrong.
Yeah, I could see the sort of big swingy arm thing.
Oh, there you go.
There we are.
I went like that. If you didn't get that, you have to do it again and dismiss that.
Dismiss that one. So we're out ready for the drones. Mum saw a strobe light and made us all run out of the van, but I think we're too early still.
I don't want to miss anything.
No, I know.
I'd rather be early than late.
Yes, well, we have been here like 5 hours early.
Something's in the air there, look.
Oh, something's in the air, my love.
The test ones.
I think that's a plane.
No.
You better be careful, Mum, that you don't bring a plane in. So Mum's all happy, sat down, ready for the
Alive?
Yeah, and what she thought was a drone was actually an EasyJet flight. I'm going to sit in the van for a bit, Mum.
I've got something to show you. I haven't been able to get in this for years.
Oh, I haven't seen you wear that in years.
Oh, I got it. But look, it does up now.
Oh, you're going to take it with you?
Might do, but I might see if my cash key one, because it's got a better zip on it, fits.
Oh, yeah.
But
So,
it's just a nice, lightweight, warm undercoat.
So we're off to France on Friday. So we're just sorting the van out. Because we need to get our 2 paddle boards in.
Yep. Yes.
And all of our swim stuff. And our wetsuits.
Well, that's going okay. The wetsuits and everything are in there.
And then we need to keep space for wine.
Yes, well, there's plenty of space for wine. We're off to, what are we up to?
Off to someone's motorworks to get some stuff for holiday. Well, for the van stuff for the holidays.
And man stuff.
Yeah. But it's one of them places that sells everything, isn't it?
Yes. So we've got a shopping list, but we're not going to restrict ourselves to a shopping list. There'll be other things, I'm sure. So anyway, we'll show you once we get everything ready. But the most important thing is the headlight deflectors, because we're going to France, and obviously we would blind French people because we are travelling on the other side of the road.
Yes.
Anyway, we'll let you know how it goes.
And we're nearly there.
Oh, here we go. Here it is, coming up on the left. Bay.
We've stayed at our barge.
Oh yes, barge ground.
Yeah, that's a cool place to stay.
It is. It is. There's another scout hut there. Saturday, Tash.
We'll be in French France.
So jumping on a ferry across.
Yeah, so we've managed to fill the garage up. We've deflated both our paddle boards. We've put them in. So everything is all packed apart from our own stuff, and we'll be on the ferry on Friday night for Beano's first adventure in France.
Yes, so we're looking forward to that. That will be fun.
Yes, and the most exciting part is we've booked a campsite from the Monday, so from Friday to Monday we're just going to go wherever we fancy.
Yep, so a little bit of off-grid camping, so it'll be fun.
Yeah, good fun.
So thank you for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, and the next one will be Vive la France.